I'm using this budgeting app called, I think, Daily Budget on iOS. It's got a piggy bank as the icon. And so basically how it works is I can put in my income, all of my non-variable bills, all the things that I keep having to pay every time. And then every single time I pay for something of any kind, I put it in there. So food, restaurants, movies, there are a bunch of different categories, and you can make your own categories. And it shows me, like it'll minus all my bills from my income, and then it will show me every single day. It divides out my extra spending money.
Yeah.
So it says that, let's say I have $20 a day. It will show me that I have $20, then I'll buy something, and then I won't have $20. But it shows me the next 2 days.
Oh,
so
cool.
if I've spent $14 today out of my 20,
Yeah.
okay, I'm keeping under budget. Not only does it show that I have $6 left today to spend, but tomorrow it says I'll have 26 if I don't spend anymore.
Yeah.
So it's easier to curb spending because I can see why I should. I'd be like, oh, actually, I want that stupid expensive drink over there. But if I don't, I can get my favorite lunch tomorrow.
That's good.
So-
And you said that has you put in your fixed expenses as well?
Yeah.
I think that's really useful. And I didn't write this on the list, but I've seen people make this excuse like, oh, it's only $20. It's only $15. And they buy it, and they do that a couple of times. And then they realize there was a monthly expense coming up that they forgot about.
Yeah.
Like, oh, wait, I forgot I had to pay car insurance.
Oh, that sucks when
Oops.
they come up
And-
near the end of the month because
Yeah.
then you're like, I'm ruined. But this takes that all out immediately. That is imaginarily gone.
Yeah.
So when you want to know how much money do I have, you don't look at your bank. You look at this app, and it says, this is how much money you have left for the month.
Right.
Ignore your bank account. Some of that's a bill you haven't paid yet.
Yeah. And that's useful because it's like an ever-present account of what you have to spend.
Yeah.
Not
And
just
it's
some
it's
vague
immediate.
thing in your head. Like, I
So-
think I've got money for that.
Things like Mint aren't immediate. It takes a few days for card purchases to go through.
That's true.
So
yeah.
unless you plan on doing nothing but cash for every single thing, which you may not even be able to do since some bills may want you to pay through some other method, your Mint will give you the data later. So if you want to actively be budgeting, something like this works well. I actually get alerts from my bank when a certain amount when money comes away from my credit card that didn't involve the card being there. So any online purchases, any things that happen that I didn't personally do that I may have forgotten about, I get notified, so I can still put it
That's
in the
cool.
app.